Hi, welcome all of you. And your PDA platform is mentoring the students, those who are now under the stress or pressure that exam is coming, what to do, and it will be very difficult for me to get the score. And your PDA is also platform which is motivating you by showing so many such examples where only by qualifying GATE exam you are sitting in IIT. The purpose of showing those videos is only to motivate you that you should not quit and you should keep pushing and you should prepare well so that you get that number which is required, which you get to qualify it. And I will tell you later on that it is not the hard work, it is a smart work. Work also means that you should know some loopholes. You should know that yes, if I get not very high GATE also, but how to manage to get into good career, that is called smart work, and this is a part of that only. So let me tell you two things very precisely. If your GATE preparation level is low, as is reflected here, preparation, you are not getting confident, then two things you remember. You are not to complete entire syllabus, you have to only prepare the part which is most important. Let's say you prepared only 60% of the syllabus, and second, in the exam when you go, just see that 60% of the syllabus, you will not attempt entire paper. So if you stick to these two things, your score can be 40 plus. Listen to me again. If your preparation is not very good, just decide that these are the topics I'm going to do and this is what I'm going to attempt in the paper. So in the exam is, let's say, 3 hours for others. For you 3 hours में 100% नहीं करना है, तो आपको तो 60% 3 hours में करना है. स्पीड आप अकॉर्डिंगली मेंटेन करें तो एक्यूरेसी बढ़ जाएगा. So because for 1 minute, if somebody is to attempt entire paper, there are 2 minutes, let's say, for one question. For you there are 4 minutes. So आपकी अगर टाइम ज्यादा है तो एक्यूरेसी ऑटोमेटिकली बढ़ेगा आपका, and that is going to help you. So if your preparation level is not very good, still you want to qualify to get opportunity, land up in IITs and land up in good career jobs, so you should not think of doing entire syllabus at this moment. And once you go to examination hall, you should not attempt entire paper. Now what topic is to be done, how much is to be done, your PDA is mentoring you. So depending upon your preparation, I mean, if your preparation is not good, fill the Google form, join the WhatsApp group of your PDA mentors, and they are guiding you, telling you these topics you prepare. Go to the exam so that you qualified. I hope I made my point clear. Nothing to worry, enjoy, we will make career.